Hey, what's up, guys? So let's solve this Leetcode solving section. 1897 redistributed characters to make all string equal. So you're given a string word, and then basically you can swap any two indices. Basically, you can swap any two indices and make another word, right? So for example, you can make A to the right hand side, so become ABC, ABC, ABC. And then you need to return true if you can make every string words equals you need any number of operations. Okay, so this problem is very simple, right? Because you can see that in this case that you can move 1A to be ABC, right? So simply speaking, you can count there are 3A's, 3B's, 3C's. And if you then this guy this is possible, right? Because once I know there are 3A, 3B, 3C, I can just distribute it. Okay. And then for this one, you cannot, right? Because 2A and 1B. So basically, the idea is that you first count how many words you can create a dictionary, and then you count each words and each characters and how many of them. And for each values, right? For example, this is 333. For each values, you check that for these values divisible by the length of words, right? Because if it's divisible by length of words, then I can just distribute it. So so I return false if there are some of them you cannot, right? For example, in this guy, there's a 1B and there are two words, right? So one is not divisible by two, so there's no way. If it bypass all tests, it return true. So basically, you just count how many words and so how many characters, and then you check that if all the frequency of characters divisible by the length of words. Okay, that's it. So see you guys next video.